Hello, I'm Kim Zahradka, Senior Executive Sales Leader with Norwex and your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Today I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about our two different business opportunities or starter kits that we're offering this month. In this video, I'm just going to cover the Join for Free kit, and I'll make a second video that talks about our regular party starter kit that we have available every month. So really quickly, our Join for Free kit is a really fun, risk-free opportunity for you or someone that you know to join our business. Maybe you're already using Norwex in your home and you love it, or you might be brand new to these products. Either way, now is a fantastic, risk-free time for you to join Norwex and see what this company is all about. In the Join for Free kit, you get our two best-selling products, the Norwex EnviroCloth and the Norwex Window Cloth. These two cloths together are known as the basic package, and those are the two products that come in the Join for Free kit, along with a few of our business supplies to get you rolling. All you pay is $9.99 to have these products shipped to your door, and there's absolutely no risk or no sales requirements or no additional fees that you'll ever have to pay with this starter kit. Okay? I would love to tell you more, and also if you do want to sign up and join before May 15th, you will get a couple of bonus items that are valued at over, I think it's $40. So please reach out to me now and let's talk about this opportunity some more. And this might be an amazing fit for you. You never know what this opportunity can do for you. Thanks. I hope to hear from you real soon. Bye-bye.